Number 52. So by distributive property, we come up with negative 4i times 3, you have negative 12i. Then negative 4i times 4i, we have negative 16i squared. But note, whenever we encounter I squared, we have to write I squared as negative 1. Since for I, that's equal to square root of negative 1. When you square this, you'll get to cancel the radical, and you come up with I squared, which is equal to negative 1. So whenever you encounter I squared, you replace that with negative 1. Therefore, we have negative 12i minus 16 times negative 1. Simplifying it, we have negative 12i. That's minus 16, but you can treat that as negative 16 times negative 1. So that is positive 16. But when we write it using a plus bi, we start writing 16, right? So it's at 16 minus 12i, so that it will be in the form a plus bi. Okay, so that's number 52. 56. Are you ready? Let's multiply 4 minus I times 2 plus I. And since this one takes like the binomial form, we can FOIL it, right? 4 times 2, 8. 4 times I, and then negative I times 2, negative I times I, negative I squared. We have 8. Combine this for I minus 2i. 2. All right, so plus 2i. Then whenever you encounter I squared, like I said, we know that I squared is equal to negative 1. So I squared is negative 1. Then we have 8 plus 2i minus negative 1 is plus 1. So 8 plus 1, you have 9 plus 2i. And it's now a complex number, 9 plus 2i. You have 3 minus 2i times 4 minus 3i. Foiling this, we have 3 times 4. 3 times negative 3i. Negative 9i, and negative 2i times 4. Negative 8i. Negative 2i times negative 3i. Positive 6i squared. Combine like terms, you have 12. Negative 9i minus 8i. Negative 9, negative 8, same signs add. Negative 9 plus negative 8. Negative 17i plus 6 times your I squared. We know I squared to be negative 1. All right, so we have 12 minus 17i. 6 times negative 1. Negative 6. Combine like terms, 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. Minus 17i. Now our answer is in complex number form, a plus b. 3 minus 2i squared. We can expand 3 minus 2i, or you can use special product. But I think most of you are doing the FOIL, right? So we can expand this as 3 minus 2i and 3 minus 2i. Those of you want to use special product, go ahead. Let's FOIL it. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times negative 2i, negative 6i, negative 2i times 3, negative 6i, negative 2i times negative 2i, 4i squared. Combine like terms, you have 9 minus negative 6i minus 6i. Now plus 4, there's an I squared there. Negative 1. Okay, so we have 9 minus 12i minus 4. What's 9 minus 4? You have 5. So you have 5 minus 12.